In this video, I'll guide you through how to change the header size in Google Docs. Whether your header feels too big and is taking up valuable space, or it's too small and you want a bit more room for things like titles or page numbers, adjusting the header size only takes a few simple steps. I'll walk you through each one slowly so you can follow along in your own document. First, go ahead and open Google Docs. You can use an existing document or create a new blank one if you just want to practice. Once your document is open, make sure you're in the normal editing view, not print preview or anything else. It also helps to scroll to the top of the page so you can clearly see where the header area begins. Next, you'll need to activate the header so that Google Docs knows you want to edit it. To do that, move your mouse to the very top of the page, just above the main body text. You'll see a faint line that separates the header from the rest of the document. Double-click in that area. When you do this correctly, the header will become active and you'll notice the cursor appear inside the header space. The rest of the page will dim slightly and you might see some header-specific options appear, which is how you know you're in the right place. With the header now active, look toward the right side of the header toolbar for the word Options. It's usually in small text near the top right corner while you're editing the header. Click on Options and a small drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, select Header Format. This will open a new settings window where you can control how much space the header takes up on the page. Inside the Header Format window, you'll see a field labeled Header or Header Margin. This is the setting that controls the size of the header area, measured as the distance from the top of the page down to the main body text. A larger number here means a bigger header, which pushes your main text further down the page. A smaller number gives you a more compact header and brings your text closer to the top. Click into the header margin box and either type in a new value or use the little arrows to increase or decrease the size. For example, if the current margin feels too tall, try reducing it slightly and see how that looks. You don't have to worry about making a mistake here because you can always come back and adjust it again. Take a moment to think about the style of your document too. Formal reports might look better with a slightly larger header, while simple notes or drafts often benefit from a smaller one. Once you're happy with the number you've entered, click Apply. Your document will update immediately, and you'll see the header area grow or shrink based on the new margin setting. If it's still not quite right, just repeat the process and fine-tune the value until you get a layout that feels balanced and readable. That's all there is to it. By opening Google Docs, activating the header with a double click, going into Options and choosing Header Format, then adjusting the header margin, you can quickly change the header size to match the look and feel you want for your document.